Braden's group, what did y'all do to solve question number 5?
So what we did is we divided 21 by 3,521, and then we got 3/5, and then we calculated that means 36 minutes.
That's perfect. Good job. So 3/5 times 60 equaled how many minutes?
36.
36 minutes. Good job.
Another way you can say it is 35 miles. We could have did 21 divided by 130, like 35ths hours per miles equals 21 hours and 35 hours. I don't know how to explain that, but
So 21 divided by 35?
it was just another way that I saw in the answer.
Yeah.
That we got right, so I just did that.
Good job. So 21 divided by 35 is 0.6 or 3/5, just like Braden said, just like Rachel said. And so they took that 0.6 and they needed to multiply it by the number of minutes in an hour. How many numbers of minutes are in an hour? 60. And so 0.6 times 60 equaled what? 36. Good. All right, number 6.
23,589.1 minus 23,134.8, and then divide what you get by 15.4.
Correct. All right, so we got 400
And the answer is 29.5.
Good job. Can you restate what they said, Angel S?
Levi said they divided 23,000. The second odometer reading and the first odometer reading, and divided it by 15.4.
Good. And that gave us an answer of what?
29.5.
Good. Number 7. All right, let's go to Miss Hamarjane's group. Miss Hamarjane, what did y'all do to solve this problem?
Let me go back. For our average speed, we got 54 miles per hour.
How'd y'all get it?
We did 486 divided by 9.
Mm-hmm.
Because it says 9 hours, so that's like the time.
Correct.
We have to do. And then for the unit price, we got $3.33 from doing $59.94 divided by 18.
Good. All right. And then how did you find the miles per gallon?
The mileage.
Okay, so what'd you do?
I don't remember what we got for that answer.
All right, Tamarian, help them out.
Me?
Yeah.
What page is that? Oh, 7.
What'd y'all do to figure out the miles per gallon?
What page took a long time? All right, I'm on it. We on A or B?
B.
What did I get? 1 is 27, right?
It was 27, but how do you get 27? Vincent, do you remember now?
Yes, sir. You divide 486 by 18 gallons.
All right. So, Hermagine, go ahead and restate everything that he said.
Okay, so basically, from the unit price, we had 3,036 cents,
Miles per
All
gallon?
right. I got how you got that one.
All right.
But
Levi,
after
how did we get the miles per gallon and the miles per hour?
we divided,
Correct. All right. So we did 486 divided by 9 to get the miles per hour, and we did 486 divided by 18 to get the miles per gallon. All right. Number 8. Let's go with Sophia. Sophia, how'd your group get this answer?
we did the how much it was for the amount of ring pops. So we did $1.68 divided by 12.
Good.
And we did $2.18 divided by 16.
Good. And so what did you find out?
That 12 ring pops was the worst buy than the 16 ring pops.
Correct. And why was that?
Because the 12 ring pops cost more per ring pop than the 16 did.
Great job. Great job. Angel S., can you restate what she said?
So she said she took 12 divided by $1.68 and 16
Into $2.18?
$2.18.
Correct. And so the unit price for the 12 ring pops was what?
0.136.
For the 12 ring pops, it was 0.14. It was 0.136 for the 16, right?
0.14.
Good, good. And so that means that the unit rate for the 12 ring pops is what compared to the 16?
It's a worse buy.
Yeah, because it's cost more. Good. All right, number 9. Number 9, let's go to Rachel. Miss Rachel, tell me how y'all solved this.
I'm waiting on myself. Hold on.
Can you not see mine?
Oh, so for A, I think we put not 2, but 1 and 1/8.
All right, how did y'all get that?
I forgot.
All right.
I forgot how we did that.
Who can help Rachel out on this problem? If you can help Rachel out, speak up now. I know I helped a couple people with this problem, so I feel like you should be able to do it pretty easily. I'm going to give you 3 seconds, then I'm calling on somebody. All right, my 3 seconds are up. Braden, how would you get this answer?
I feel like you would ask him more. It's kind of confusing to me. A is kind of confusing to me.
Okay.
Because
So the easiest way for me to explain it is that 1/3 times a number equals 1 whole. 1/3 times what equals 1 whole?
1,
1/3,
3.
Yeah, times 3 equals 1. So if we do 3/8 times 3, what do we get?
6/8. I mean
9/8.
9/8.
Good. And 9/8 is 1 1/8. All right. Now, same thing here. We know that 1/4 and 3/4 have a common denominator, but I know that 1/4 is 1/3 of 3/4. So if I do 2/3 times 1/3, I'll get B. So who knows what 2/3 times 1/3 is?
2/9.
Correct, 2/9. All right, and the last, I know that 1/4 times 4 equals 1 whole. So if I do 2/9 times 4, I get
8/9.
8/9. Good. So who can restate what I said?
You said that 3/4 times 3/8 is 1 1/8. Wait. Oh no, you said 1/3 times 3 equals one whole.
Good.
And then you said 1 whole, and then you told me to divide it by.
And then I said we needed to take 3, because that's our scale factor, and multiply it by what?
And then we divided 3/8 times 3, and we got 9/8, and they equal to 1 1/8.
Good.
And for the second one, we did 2/3 times 1/3, didn't we?
Correct.
And we got 2/9, and 1/4 times 1 whole equals 8/9.
1/4 times 4 equals 1, and so we did 2/9 times what to get 8/9?
2 times. 2/9 times 1/4.
2 times what is 8?
4.
Yeah, so we did 2/9 times 4 to get 8/9. All right, number 10. All right, number 10, I like this problem, but in order to find it, I'm not 100% sure who I worked with earlier, but we found a common denominator. And so the common denominator between 2/3 and 3/4 was 12. All right, so we converted 2/3 to what? 8/12, and we converted 3/4 to.
Mr. Martin, I didn't do the converting way, but I still got the right answer.
Good. So we did 3/4, and we did 3 times 3 and 4 times 3, and we got 9/12. And so we know that 8/12 plus 9/12 equals 17/12. So to get rid of the fraction, we want to multiply everything by the denominator. So if we do that, we're left with 8 plus 9 equals 17. So that means that we need how many cups of yellow? 8. And we needed how many cups of blue? 9. All right. Number 11. So in order to get this, we know that Miss Rodriguez wants every 3 students to have 2 pizzas, and Mr. Becker wants every 5 students to have 3 pizzas. So what do we have to do to determine this answer? How do we find the unit rate? All we're doing is finding the unit rate. How do we find that? In order to find the unit rate for the amount of pizza that each student eats, we need to do the pizza divided by the students. So when we do the pizza divided by the students, that'll help us find our answer for question 11 and question 12. So this concludes today's work. So in this case, Miss Rodriguez, in order for us to find that answer, we would do 2 pizzas divided by 3 students. And in order to find Mr. Becker, we would do 3 pizzas divided by 5 students. And we'll use those answers to solve question number 12. So I hope that y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a fabulous day today and tomorrow. Make sure you knock out questions 13 through 16. and I will see you next time.